Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Usman. I use my desktop computer, which is Core i7, to edit my YouTube videos, and I'm facing really slow speed while editing the YouTube videos or lagging, even after expanding the RAM and getting the good GPU. So then I thought to change my hard drives from hard disk drive, aka HDD, to solid state drive, aka SSD, to see the difference in the performance. For that, I bought the Samsung's latest SSD, which is 870 EVO. So in this video, I will test 870 EVO and try to notice the difference in the performance, so I can share my experience with you that should you buy it or not. So for that, let's begin the video. Okay, first of all, let's quickly unbox it. On top, there is print of drive with model number, and few specifications are also printed, like 560 megabyte per second read speed and 530 megabyte per second write speed. On the back, few information about warranty printed. You are going to get 5 years warranty with this drive. Now let's open the box. The total capacity of this drive is 250 gigabyte. On top, there is manual, which you should read if you don't know how to install it. And here is the drive. Samsung logo again printed on top of drive, and it's really lightweight and small. On back, capacity, which is 250 gigabyte, and model number printed, and here are the ports for installation. And if I talk about its area, its length is about 10 centimeter and width is about 6.5 centimeter. And now let's do some practical work. I noted the time of booting Windows 10 from HDD, and it was about 1 minute and 32 seconds. And after installing the SSD and booting the Windows from it, I saw Windows 10 took 51 seconds to boot from SSD. It's good difference, not bad. We can also include other booting aspects in this test. But the main difference I saw when I tested Chrome and Adobe Premiere Pro. Before installing SSD, on hard disk drive, my desktop took 3 minutes and 32 seconds to load Adobe Premiere Pro, which was really bad loading time. And after installing the SSD, when I tested it again, believe me or not, my desktop took 28 seconds only to load Adobe Premiere Pro. Look at the huge difference. And not only that, when I opened the Chrome on the SSD, even before starting the stopwatch, my desktop loaded it. But before installing the SSD, my desktop took 10 seconds to load Chrome. So you can notice the difference. And while editing the videos, I saw no more lagging after installing the SSD. Now video editing is smooth and fun for me. And Samsung also provides software support with its SSDs. The name of the software is Magician, that you can download from the Samsung's official website. I will put its link in the description of this video. By this software, you can check the drive's health and temperature, and you can also perform benchmark to get the idea of performance. And when I did, I got 557 megabyte per second read speed and 519 megabyte per second write speed, close to what printed on the box. An amazing part is that when I did the benchmark test of the HHD, I got 114 megabyte per second read and 113 megabyte per second write speed. So you can see the big difference. So in my overall experience, I saw a huge difference in performance by shifting from hard disk drive to SSD. And what do you say about it? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to support my work. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.